Hi, this is Skoggit. Hope everybody's doing fine out there. I'm doing pretty well. Thought I'd make a quick little video on just a stupid little thing I did, and Mrs. Skoggit solved the problem. I bought some of this parchment paper, this Texas tough parchment paper, and I opened the box, and the parchment paper has a little piece of plastic around it. As you can see right there, the little piece of plastic. And I was sitting there, and I got it, and I thought it was tape. I didn't know it was plastic. And so what I was doing is I was sitting there, and I was trying to pick it up, get the end. Thought I saw an end there, and I was trying to pick it off, like pick the end off, and I never could get it. So I was getting frustrated and upset about it. And Mrs. Skoggit heard me, and she says, "What's going on?" And I said, "I can't get this tape off of this parchment paper." I said, "It's driving me crazy." So she come in there, and she said, "Let me see it." So she just came in there, and she said, "Look, here's the way you get it off." And she just took it and slid it off like that. And I'm like, oh, wow. Here I thought it was tape, when in fact it was just a little piece of plastic what goes on it. Oh well, sometimes the simplest stuff I just can't get. But glad Mrs. Skoggit was there to help me out, or else I'd probably still be picking at it. Who knows? Thought I'd make this little video. I thought it was kind of funny. Thought your subscribers and viewers might enjoy it. But it's true, and this really happened. I mean, so this is Skoggit. I appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. Y'all continue to stay safe and take care.